just said there weren't enough people to accept that price at that time, so we sent it to the next best price.
Oh wow. Oh, by the way, how's my music? You know, I always gotta ask.
Can you turn it a smidgen down?
Okay, because I'm trying something new today. How's that?
Cool beans.
Yeah, I'm trying something new today. I'm actually doing my stream. So I'm live on. I should be live on YouTube this morning on my YouTube channel.
Okay.
Let's see. What are we? Gold. Okay. So I want to see if it's on or not. Hmm. I hit the live button, so I'm trying to see now. So how would someone know I'm live?
It seems like it got louder than that.
Really? I ain't touched it. No, it stays at 11. That's the
Try
volume.
going down one more.
Huh?
Can you try to turn it down one more?
How's that?
Okay.
Golly, man, it stays on 11. I had to take it down to 6 today.
Yeah, because I could barely hear you. I don't know if anybody else could hear you.
Can you hear me okay now?
Yeah, you're better.
Okay.
Yeah, you sound pretty good. You're a little low, but you're pretty good.
Am I a little low?
Happy Harry.
Good morning, team.
What's up, boy?
To you all.
Thank you. Blessings to you.
Oh, I guess my stream is live. Okay, cool. All right. All right. So, all right, let's see what we are going to work with today. Give me a second here, man. Hold up. All right, so we're looking at let's look at the news real quick. Forex Factory. So we had a sudden shoot up at 8:30. It was a weird one. Unemployment claims, that was nothing, right? The real one is tomorrow, even though it's supposed to be a holiday, I guess, on Monday. But this is the one we're going to pay attention to, that non-farm employment report. And I believe, based on the non-farm employment report, the market wants to go. Let me show you where I think it wants to go. This is where I think it wants to go.
Steph, can you turn your volume up some?
No, I don't know. I don't know what else to do with it. I mean, it's
okay. So you're sounding louder right now where you are.
Oh,
well, I don't know if you go away, turn around, or something.
No, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna have to get me a headset because I'm facing the computer, and I don't like to have to face the computer in order to talk, because my screen is one way and my computer is another way.
Gotcha.
So if I sound better here, it's because I'm right directly over the computer.
Okay.
Yeah. Well, as long as it's clear. All right. I got to keep some things open today because I got a lot going on. I want to trade Peloton today. I really do. Peloton is down to $8 and some change. Y'all, look at this.
Wow.
Watch this. I'm finna pull it up. Let me pull it up on the Roku.
You trying to do a put?
Yeah, on Peloton. Let's see though. Let's see what it looks like. So it is. Let me look at the real candle. Yeah, it's in the put momentum when it's actually going to open, but it's in the actual buy momentum. It dropped down as low as it can go. I mean, look at this. Peloton was down here $6.62 a share. Now it's made its way up to $8.52, but it still looks like it got some sale in it. Golly, look at this. Look at the day
Good
chart.
morning.
Uh-oh, is it Bodega Coffee?
Coffee is in the house.
What's up, Bodega Coffee?
Everybody, good morning.
I want to know what Peloton is going to do at the opening.
Huh?
We'll see.
I wonder what Peloton. It looks like it wants to shoot down here, right, to the 800, and hit that 3-finger move, right? It looks like that's what it wants to do. So I might be putting another put. I might put a put option down on Peloton to catch it. That's not a lot. Let me see. I'm about the 5-minute chart. Let's try that. All right, where is my? All right, here we go. All right, here we go.
Okay, that's how you feeling this morning, huh? With that song. Okay.
That's my joint. Huh? Come on. Cricket. Huh. I gotta move. I gotta move. Give me some room. That's my joint right there. When I first heard this, I was like, what? So for those who are on the call today, I am live on my YouTube channel today. Whoa, let's go with it. I'm live on YouTube right now. Let me tell the group just in case anybody wants to jump on. Let's see. All right, cool. All right, you guys see US30 on my screen, right?
Yes.
All right. Good morning to you, Auntie Shirley, Miss Miranda, Mia, Harry, Evelyn, Dana, Arnold, Evelyn. Where Harry go?
Good morning.
Harry King, there he is.
Good morning.
Lakeisha.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, sir.
Morning. All right, look here.
Good morning.
Let's see what we're working with this morning. US30's been doing some crazy moves, y'all. Look. So it's trying its best to break all the way out of my channel here. You see the channel, right? So it the way I used to trade back about 3 years ago, I used to only trade the channel, right? And it would yield me a lot of money. But when I started like trying to help other people, it became very difficult for them to do the same thing. I don't know why, but it became very difficult. So if I would have called a buy from here and I said, guys, we're not getting out till we get here, right? I mean, beautiful move. And it did it, right? It's the channel move. It's called the move within the channel, right? But how many people actually could have hung in there for the bumps and bruises? Now, notice when it left here, it didn't turn back. When it hit this doji, it didn't turn back. Right. So that's the key things we're going to look for in a longer move. You're going to look for that doji. A doji on a 1 hour chart is always a dead giveaway of a reversal. Right. So it was in the sale. We had a doji here. We reversed for the buy, try to reverse for the sale. I had a doji here and it shot. And it kept going through the channel. That's why I draw this stuff. Right. My chart looks crazy, but I do this because I need to see where price action is wanting to go. And I can do that on anything, guys. Peloton's right here, right? This is Peloton. If I go to the hour chart on Peloton, let's do this right now. Matter of fact, let's do it. I got a little time. Opening bell is in 12 minutes. So I got a little time. Look, if I do this on Peloton, watch this. Here is your channel move on Peloton. Okay. So Peloton. So it kind of came down outside of its own channel. That's crazy. All right, let me move the channel for Peloton to here. Yeah, better. Okay, yeah, there we go. Much better. So this is Peloton's somewhat channel. It more or less looks like a yep, it's the same. There it is. Okay. Notice how it's getting wider at the bottom. Hold on 1 second. Let me get my music back. Dude, I don't want to hear you, man. Return of the Bop. Let's go with Return of the Bop, Volume 1. Hold on, no, let's go with Volume 2.
Now it seems like it's louder.
Weird, because it's nothing has changed. I don't get it.
Does it sound louder to anybody else or just me?
Like,
The music is loud in his voice.
what the heck? How is this possible? I got it on. Okay, now it's on 2.
That's good. That's sexy right there.
That's ridiculous. I don't know what has changed. Okay, I'm kind of ticked about
That's
that.
balance right there.
I'm ticked about that balance though, because I can barely hear it. I like that's my motivation. Good morning, everyone. I can barely hear it on my end.
So you went from 6 to 2?
Yeah, on volume. It's been at 11 the entire time. All the calls I do is on 11. I think the StreamYard has done something to it. So it may have increased it, or I don't know. Anyway, if you look at Peloton, it's in the channel, right? Peloton looks like it's going to bounce here, but look, there's the 200 sitting there as well. So it could break through the channel, hit that 200, come back into the channel. I'm going to leave the channel there, though, just in case. Because if it comes back into the channel, crosses the 50 or sets up a doji, then I would say I can take Peloton for a put down to $6.11, right? And if you look left, Peloton ain't been that low. This is the lowest Peloton has been, right? This is it. Look at this. This is the whole chart for Peloton. Peloton ain't never been this low. It didn't even start this low. Peloton opened up. When it first started, it was at $27 and dropped down. The lowest it dropped down was $17.84. Now it's all the way down here, and they keep laying off people, by the way. So it's not a good sign. Not a good sign. I don't know if Peloton is going to go belly up or not, but they still making commercials. So we shall see.
Is this the
bike?
Yes, the bicep.
Running no bike. Yeah.
Yeah, but you got to think about it. During the pandemic, they were hot. Look at this. Let me show you.
But the pandemic's over. People back in the gym now.
And exactly. So this was
cycle class.
This was pandemic up here. See this? Whoa! Look at this. Look at this. Peloton. Whoa, golly, I didn't know they was that high. Peloton was at $173 a share. Now Peloton is $8. Guys, if I would have seen this move coming, we would have put in a put forever. This would have been a forever put. This would have been a 2-year option. Okay. And just let it ride, because this would have made anybody rich. This put would have made a whole bunch of people rich. Whole bunch. I'm sure it did for those who caught it. I just wanted to use that as an example because they keep talking about them on my favorite channel, Bloomberg and CNBC. CNBC, actually, I prefer now over Bloomberg. They give more details. Anyway, let's look at 8 minutes to the bell. Let's look at what Dirty 30 is trying to do this morning. Dirty 30 looks like, okay, so it's in the mouth. It's in the mouth. All right. Mm-hmm. So it's in the mouth. All right, give me a second here. I didn't mean to do that. Where did I put it? Nope, not that one. That one. Okay, there we go. Now I got everything up on my screen. Okay, so US30 is in the mouth. Okay, what typically happens is when it gets here, it shoots through the top of the mouth. When it closes, it shoots through the bottom of the mouth. So that's what we're getting now, is the shoot down through the bottom of the mouth. I'm going to call a trade right now from 160 to 140. Okay, 160 to 140. That's the trade. All right, we're going to look at a US30 trade, 30,000, 160 to 140. And let me put it in. Oh, okay, I already got it. Already got it. And we're going to get a little resistance at 158 just that fast. Why? Because that's a resistance line. It's not on my chart here, but it's on my phone. So let me put that on here. 158 is a resistance line right there. That's a little resistance. But what is US30 trying to do? So it's already went through the three fingers, 50 to 200, 800, shot up, did his little zigzag. Now it looks like it wants to come back down and possibly come in. It wants to come and close out its last bottom that it just made. This is all today. So I'm on a 1 minute chart. Gold. I got gold coming down as well. I got gold coming down to at least 1710. And it could, let me look at a higher time frame. Oh yeah, gold got plenty of room. Oh, gold got some good sell room in a good sell room. So as long as gold stays under this 200 on the 15-minute chart, and if it comes down here to meet this one at 1710.57, gold should shoot down. Where's my doji? There's a doji right here. So gold should shoot down here to this doji at least to 1706. But this morning at 8:30 bell, that's 8:30 bell right here, the Dow Jones shot up for a buy. So let's look at what could possibly happen now. Let's see. Where's the one? Okay, so that's a sell. That's a sell doji. And that's a sell. And that's a buy candle. Wow. Looks like a both way action. And I believe, this is what I believe. I've been saying this since yesterday. I think US30 is doing, what it's doing, basically staying in the same area right here because it's trying to get to the 800 up here. And that news, that unemployment, that non-farm report and all that right here, that non-farm employment change, average hourly earnings, this makes the market move. Those are the CAD and this is the US dollar. So these three red folders right here for US dollar could make price run up, okay, just based on what it's doing and the momentum that it's in. The drop last night was a nice one too. This sucker dropped overnight. I think it was like 300 pips or so from 428 to 30,071. So yeah, it was almost 400 pips. That's what the sucker dropped down. But then now look at it, it's back on a bounce to try to run back up, and it's back in the channel. So it's any game right now for US30 for the morning. We got 4 minutes to the bell. It does look like it should possibly come down at the bell. That's what I'm looking forward to do. Dang, what voice was that? Looking forward to do. But however, that's the 1 hour chart. Looking at the 1 minute chart, stuff ain't lined up. So look at my bird. See my bird? My bird's head. That's the baby bird. When it's low like that, that's the baby bird. See his little eye? His little, oh, let me make that. I need to make that. There. All right, now you can see his eye. See his eye? Okay. And then there's the food. That's the worm dropping out of his mouth. And here's his little wings. That's the bird. There's little feet. I be taking it too far with the bird thing, don't I? I know.
Yes.
Don't judge me. Don't judge me. Just know that this trade about to get you paid. That's all I'm saying. Let's see here. Let me get rid of my eye so I can see what's going on with this market. All right, so it dropped under 158. So that's what we wanted to do. And gold is actually dropping too, just like I just said. So hopefully you took a gold trade down to 1710. That's where we are with gold. I'm actually setting an alert so I don't have to keep looking at it. Right there at work. Add an alert to gold. Bam. All right. US30 sitting on 160. 928. So we got a couple minutes for the bell. It's giving a lot of pullback off this one candle, but I'm looking for a reverse candle here because I'm trying to figure out why. Yeah, 5-minute chart definitely giving me some sell momentum, especially after this death cross here. It's not that significant on a lower time frame. The death cross isn't. It does render pretty good profit temporarily, but on the higher time frame, when you see the death cross on a 15-minute and higher, it's substantial. Okay, it matters. I like this mouth too. It's in the bird's mouth here as well. Hopefully we'll get that drop back down to the bottom of the mouth of the bird, and then the 3-finger setup looks good for some more sell momentum to come down. Looks like 30,158, 29,969, somewhere in there. So we'll wait for the bell. We got 1 minute. I normally have Bloomberg on so I can hear it. So let's get prepared for what it's about to do. Like I said, I'm hoping for a sale here just to get us paid from that 160 to 140 real quick. And then from there, who knows where the market is going to go. Bam! Pack. That's how you start the day off, ladies and gentlemen. Opening bell.
I blink.
Exactly. Exactly. So, as you can see, she shot down as proposed, and she should not be done yet. So, what we are looking for. So she's let me look at the higher time frame, 15-minute chart. She's trying to get down to this 200. Okay. Look, let's look at 135. Hold on. Let me go to 1 minute. Let's take a trade from 135 to 105. 135 to 115. Take it for 20. 135 to 115. All right. 135. 115. All right. It's in. I got it in. Let me look at what gold is doing. Yeah, gold
The
is
opposite.
It's that. I think that's temporary though, because gold has been trying to hit this 800 for a minute.
I know.
Right?
I need to go hit it.
Well, look, gold has been trying to hit that 800. It tried here. It was like, I'm going to hit that 800. Then it said, nope. I'm tried here. Nope. It shot up. Then it went here. Nope. It shot up again. So I'm looking for gold to make the final attempt to come on down and hit this 800 and stop playing. Don't be playing. Don't be playing gold, boo-boo. All right. Plus, I need to look at American. Oh, yes, American Airlines. As promised. Let me look at my trade.
3 fingers.
Let's see. 1280. Okay. So what is it? Oh, okay. So it's shot down at the bell. Now it's pushing up. So I need go. So US30 is going to do the same thing that American Airlines is doing, believe it or not. So let's look at that real quick. So you should be okay on Dow Jones for now. And I did tell you it was going to go both ways based on what I was looking at when I looked at 3 candles. Both way movement. It went through the top of the mouth again, even higher. Let's look at the 15-minute chart. Okay, so it's going to the top of the lip. Bow right here. Should get some reversal here. Should get a little reverse action here. Okay, so it didn't activate the 135 yet. Good. Good. 5 minute. Okay. 1 minute. I shall wait. I needed to get below a certain level. I think it might want to hit this 800 again on the 1 minute. Yeah, might want to hit that 800. So since it's so close, but I hope it doesn't. Just because I don't need it to go up there. I need to come down. Gold is teeter-tottering, as you can see. Gold is teeter-tottering. It's playing that game between 13 and 12, I guess you can say. So it's playing a game between 13 and 12. Three Fingers is set up on gold for a buy, which is, I find, kind of unusual. Now look at US30. Ready? Bow. All right, let's look at a real candle. Bow. Okay, so I'm waiting on US30 to come down below the 200 here. Once it comes back to here at 163, we're going to take the same trade, 160 to 140 again. Let me look at that and make sure it's okay. Yes, we'll take 160 to 140 again. Let's see, 165, that one hit. Okay, let me reply. Hit. Take it again. All right, so we're going to take that 165, 165 to 145 again. Or 160 for you guys, 160 to 140. All right. See who we got on the call today. Tia Shirley, down. Where is Isaiah?
Remember yesterday he said he had to do an assignment. That's why he was arguing with the people.
Oh, that's right. That's right. Oh, yeah. Thanks for reminding me he was arguing with them folks. Clowning. Clowning is what he was doing. All right, so we have reached this. Man, that's too early. US, it's only 9:36. It ain't. Listen, y'all. When it moves like this, I'm like, really? Gold is trying to buy up. So gold is trying to go through these three fingers real quick from the looks of it. Let's see. Go. So that was a high. It's 1716. 1717 is where it's trying to go. 17, 16. Let's I think we're gonna take a point on gold. Let's take a point on gold. Let's take a point. Gold is looking kind of strange. Let me look at my oil real quick too while I'm in this. Our oil still got some push up in it. Just a little bit. It may. The 50 crossed the 800 here, but the 200 is quite a ways from 800. So we'll see. I'll look at oil later. I want to look at AJ real quick. Sunshine gave a great trade on AJ the other day to 93.25, and it's still hanging in that area, but it hit it. And then she gave a 94.21, which is up here. Oh, it hit it. It hit both of them. She go on, Sunshine. It hit both of hers. Nice call. All right. So looks like AJ should be coming down again to 92.98. If you look at this momentum here, you should be getting this move right here to close this area. Okay, that's AJ. Bitcoin been trying to make his debut, but no cigars. All right, US30, what we doing? Where you at? Hold up. Mhm. Oh, what the heck are you doing? Now it's shot up here to this level of resistance. I'm trying to see where it's trying to go because it's not making any sense right now. Are you trying to go here? Huh. It's climbing hard too. I wonder what sparked it for this buy. Because now it's trying to come up here to 30,283. Let me look at something real quick. I don't know why. All right. Looks like US30 is trying to hit 283. I hope not. But it looks like that's where it's trying to go. Take 273 to 283. 273 to 283 for 10, just in case. I don't want us to miss this opportunity, just in case it decides this is where it's wanting to go. 273.
Man, that thing ran past the TV.
It sure did. It sure did. 273, 283 is gone. So it looks like it's going to match up and go to 304. And from 304, let's see, 314. So 304 is about the highest. Let me let it get above. Let me let it get back above 285. Then I'll call 290 to 300 if it gets above 285. But yeah, this buy is strange, especially with the type. I got to look at all the charts now because the momentum has shifted back to this buy, which is fine. The buy momentum is fine, right? But not when I'm in the sell. The buy momentum is where I'm saying it's going to go tomorrow. And I don't think it's going to gear up for tomorrow's move today. I think it's going to pull down so that tomorrow's move can be dramatic because it's like that. All right, so yeah, 290 to 305 is what I gave you to put in. I think it's going to come here in a minute. It's at 299, 300. Bam, 305. Now, is it trying to go to resistance again? Hold tight. Yeah, it looks like it's trying to go to resistance again at 30,352. Here. Let's see what it does when it hits this 1618 on the Fibonacci. If it keeps going, oh, it's going. Yeah, it's shot right up there. I ain't even have time to call anything. 352. I wonder what's giving us this strength, though. This, let me look at the higher time frames because this ain't making no sense right now. Yeah, that makes no sense. That makes no sense. 15. No, that definitely don't make any sense. Where is it at? 330. Take 340 to 350. $340 to 350, just in case it tries to shoot up there at 352. We'll catch that last bit of it. But if once it hits that, it should do a reversal to come back down. Because I'm looking at the 15-minute chart. 15-minute chart is giving me sell. It's giving me like this head and shoulders pattern. So hopefully it'll keep shooting down. Nobody's buy activated. They didn't get that high, so we good on that one. But I'm looking for it to sail down through these fingers, and we are going to catch this action as soon as we get beyond it. I just need to see why is it buying up like that. Let me draw a head and shoulders pattern real quick so I can see what I'm looking at. Where are you at, head and shoulders? Head and shoulders right there. Bam, 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 bam. I don't see that's not left shoulder, right shoulder. Some weird one. No, it's more ABC. More ABC. This is more or less, and gold is coming back, by the way. Gold is coming back. I think it's an XABCD pattern. XAB. Yeah. That's more or less the pattern off the 15-minute chart. A, B, C. Yeah, okay. So what happens on the XABCD pattern when it's done properly, because it's kind of like an XABC, and I'm still leery on this pattern. It's got a weird one. It might be a cipher pattern. Let me see if that's a cipher pattern real quick. It might be a cipher pattern. Cipher pattern. Let's see. Even though it looks the same, the algorithm is different as far as the numbers are concerned. So I'm just looking at this. So what happens is price action to try to go to the C and then back down through the D. So let me see where it did. Let's see, X, A, B. That would have been B here. X, A, B. Okay. X here. X, A. So all that was in the shaded area. That was B. That went above. That was the C. Went down to the D. From here. Yeah. So this is weird, but if price pulls back here, then we're going to come straight through the D, which is 30076. Okay. It's going to come through the D and try to come down here to the A and to the X at 29.8. All right. So we should be getting this sale. Let's see if it does it. All right. It's going through the D. Let's see if that happens. Let's see if it does it exactly right. Now that's a cipher pattern. Okay. I do all these guys. You got to study this stuff, right? If you go here and go to Google, you pull up cipher pattern. Bam, it's going to tell you. The cipher pattern is an advanced harmonic pattern that, when traded correctly, can have a truly outstanding strike rate as well as a pretty good average reward to risk ratio. Cipher is a 5 pattern point, blah, 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 XABCD. And then it tells you, right, as you read deeper into it, right, it shows you examples of what it does. So, you know, that's a reverse cipher where the X is at the top. Then your standard is at the bottom, which is the bullish, right? The bullish cipher yields price to bounce off the D and push up, which if you look at it on the 15-minute chart, it bounced off the D and it pushed up. Okay, that's what the pattern did. That's what it's supposed to do. Then the pattern does a reversal. Okay, and then once it does that reversal, X, A, B, C, D. It's X, A, B, C, D. No. X, A, B, C. Then the D becomes the top. Okay, so when the D becomes the top, because the patterns will reverse. All right, depending on the momentum, patterns will reverse. But here, what I've noticed, especially from using a harmonic scanner, is when you have a cipher pattern, and it's a legitimate cipher pattern, price action will try to come right back through the points. So it'll come back through the X, it'll come back through the A, it'll come back through the C, the B, and the D, right? I noticed that because it gives take profits at certain levels. So take profit 1, take profit 2, take profit 3 would be X, B, A. Take profit for the sale, it'll be take profit 1 coming down from the C to the B, take profit 2 to the D, take profit 3 to the X. Okay, so it has a range of TPs when you're looking at how the algorithm of the patterns work. So I kind of like that. All right, we're getting a little bit of bounce. I think it's off the 50. Yeah, right here. So we're getting a little bit of reverse action off the 50. I want price to push through the 50. If price does do a reverse through the 50, then I know we're good to go for this whole pattern to play out and the sale to come back down. Okay, that's what we need. Gold is looking good. We should be in profit on gold if you took the gold trade. Gold is really nearing our take profit at 1710. I think I put it on a higher time frame. What time frame did I put? Yeah, there it is. Okay, so I put the take profit here on the 15-minute chart. All right, so gold should be looking good for us. US30 is still playing us. It's battling. It's going back and forth. And also, let me look and see if it's given a pass-through zone anywhere so we can catch these zones. Yeah, right there. I think this might be a little zone. This might be a little zone right here. So what is that? 202, 157. So the zone is in between there. So there's a zone here at 191 to 171. So there's a 20 pip zone in here, guys. Write that zone. I'm going to write it 191 to 171. There's a zone there. All right. There's a zone 191 to 171. So I'm going to leave the shaded area here as well so that we can see the zones. All right. Do I have any questions at this time? Anybody got any questions? I'm waiting on these things to make some moves, man.
None for me.
I have one question because I'm trying to figure this out. Like on my trading view, what is the pip count? You see on the side right here. Well, I can't show you. It doesn't come up. You know, like it's going through the pips, like you just said, to show the zone. What do I need to do to my computer? But I got two computers, and it don't show up on either one.
What you mean to show the zone? I just drew that.
No, right here on the right side where
Over
you know
here?
it says 30352
Okay.
30278. Yeah, it won't show up on my trading view.
Oh, you talking about the ask and the buy line?
Yeah, right there. What you pointing at? Yeah.
Yeah. You have to go into your settings. You have to go into your settings, and we're status line, bar chart values. Check. Make sure these things are checked for you. Indicator
Okay.
values, bar chart values.
Status line, bar chart.
All this stuff checked.
Let me look. Let me go see. Let me go to my.
And
I
then
keep thinking,
appearance.
look, I got your screen up, so I keep thinking it's my screen. It's not. Okay, so let me go to.
Make sure buy sell buttons are checked under trading.
And then go into.
Yeah, just let me know when you get there on settings.
Okay, here I am. Okay, so can you hear me?
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm gonna go up here to settings.
And then
you said go to status
line.
line.
Yeah.
Yeah, they all check.
All right. Then go to scales and see if symbol last price. Symbol last price. Countdown bar to close.
And check high and low price and bid and ask.
You can. I mean, it's mine is not checked, but you can.
No, even when I check that, it don't bring back the
symbol last price, count down the bar, and then appearance. Trading. Under trading, you want to make sure that buy and sell button is there.
Yep, it's there.
It's checked.
Yep. I don't know where it went. It been gone, and I can't get it back. And
maybe it's the color.
Babe told me to even do black, silent, white.
How about symbols? Last price line.
Yep, it's checked.
Yeah, but what color is it? What color is it?
Green and red.
What about your previous day close price line? Well, that's different. What about your bid and ask? What about bid and ask lines? Are they blue and red?
Yeah, they blue and red, but they're not on it. Like now, a value, when I check something, it got 0.40, 0.60. So it's doing the percentages as it goes down, but it's not giving me.
I mean, that's standard on Trading View. That's why I don't understand. Maybe you need to restart your Trading View.
I did that. Well, I went in my settings and took out all the cookies and stuff, and it didn't do it. So maybe I don't know.
Yeah, I have to call you offline then because I don't want to take the call to try to figure that out.
All right.
But yeah, I don't, because everything is checked, so it's not making any sense to me either.
Yeah, I don't know.
Stuff that's
I
supposed to
can't
be
get it back.
checked. All right, so let's see, where are we? All right, price is pulling down. Here it comes into the box. Here comes that 191.
Well, my 191 to 171 hit.
Oh wow, who you got?
Let me see. I think it's KO too. Let me see.
Who your broker is, boo boo? Who your broker is? I need to get your broker. God, dog. We just activated. Mine just activated 191, 171. But watch this pass through. Watch how it passes through this zone. Watch this. It's really nice to see too when you can see the price as it moves through the zone that you gave. And I'm gonna show you how to select a zone. Okay. I think Isaiah was showing you yesterday, but pass-through zones is something that I also brought to the group. I introduced that to everyone because I started noticing how price, we were waiting on consolidation instead of profiting in consolidation. I was like, well, why are we doing that? This is US30. It moves 30, 40 pips in a zone, right? Let's capitalize on that zone and make a ton. So check this out. We hit 10 times in the 20 pip zone. That's 200 pips. Hello. You're done for the day. And you left, you didn't even leave out of the zone. Okay, so it's possible to just make money in the zone. Look, bam, here we are. Here we are. Bam, we already hit that 191, 171 for everybody else has hit. For the early birds, you hit way before us. For the late birds, guess what? We just hit. And now it looks like the Fibonacci 1618 wants to get hit, but it's going to play with us, y'all. So be ready for the play, for the gameplay, because it's a zone. That 191 to 171 is a zone. So it's going to keep going back and forth through there before it decides it wants to sell down and pay us fully, right? I'm just waiting on payday. I'm waiting on payday. So everybody hit on that 191 to 171. Who didn't take that zone? Be honest.
I got Hugo's way, so that's why. The first zone you called had already hit before I even put it in. The 160 to 140.
Yeah.
It was already good.
Okay.
You know. Thank you.
All right. Well, we got that one is coming back. 160 to 140 is coming back through. Here we go. Here we come. Pow! Love it when a good plan comes to action. Who hit? Who hit?
I hit.
All right. Then I also gave you 135 to 105, I think, or 135 to 115.
Yeah.
Let's see here. All right. 135 to
115 hit.
All right, that was for you because you're beautiful. We have to wait because we have KOT. Oh my God. So we're in the waiting
I
game.
get to put it in. Oh my God. I might have put it in my other one though.
All right,
Good
here we
morning.
come.
Good morning. Sorry
There
about
he
that.
is. Isaiah, don't do that to me no more. Don't do that to me no more.
Good morning.
Do it to me.
Good
Do it to me again,
Good
Isaiah. See what I do
morning.
to
Good
you.
morning. Blessings, blessings, blessings.
You finished going off on people?
Yeah, man. And guess what? I got what I need.
Yo, they gave you a
I hope
package.
it wasn't the USPS post office with no package.
It was FedEx, though. It was a package delivering service.
He was like, I said I'm on a business call.
Right,
Like,
right,
okay.
right. He pulled a punk card. He pulled a punk card, man. I was like, that. He straight punked him. The lady was like, okay, sir. Get off my phone. We hit 135, 115 just hit.
You just hit it. Got it.
All right.
Got it.
Then we
I
got
put
the
one in
last
the
one.
chat.
Huh?
I put one in the chat also
You did?
from 70 to 40.
Man.
So we hit on that one as well.
Every
Yeah,
trade
sure
I gave
did.
to my group. And Dana, every trade I gave to y'all just hit. Boom.
Sure did.
That was trade one, wasn't it, Dana? Was that trade one? Yep. 105 to 85 is about to hit
sorry,
now.
I don't even know my name. I can't even watch my screen. I'm trying.
Oh, okay.
I don't know.
Hold on, I gotta do some housekeeping. Give me a second, guys. I'm trying to maintain this and my group at the same time. Isn't this great? All right, so hit trade 4, which was did I say that one hit? Trade 4 hit. Yeah, that one hit 4 and 5. 4 and 5.
So 30. 30.
Okay, I did 4. I did 5.
Bam, bam.
Take 5.
Yeah, now you just gave us that, how you said it was going to get down to,
Yep.
what, 98, 97?
Yes, my dear.
They're not. It's right there now.
Well, all right.
Yeah.
We're about to hit on this other trade too. I gave my group this trade. So
I told him, I said, I ain't coming to work today. I got to study what y'all need. Get somebody else to deliver them parcels.
Come on with it, then. Come on with it. Let's look, and look, y'all. Look. Give me a second. Give me a second.
This
look.
is priority mail right here.
I want y'all to look at this though. Look what it did. What did I say about the XABCD? About this cipher? What did I say about the cipher?
Talking about.
Okay.
How you just told us that.
Okay, look, watch this. Let me draw a line. I don't want a whole line. I just want a little line from the bottom of my cipher, which is the D, right? And it's sitting at 30076. So I want you to take the sale trade down to 76. Okay, take this trade down to 76. We got to hit the D. Once we hit that D line, right, the next move is 29969 after that. But we're going to get some pullback possibly. Isaiah, what are you talking about?
I'm agreeing with you, Doc. Because I got it, I just put one in there. It's going to go 100 to 70. So we're on point. Bam.
Oh, okay, from 100 to 70. Okay.
Gotcha.
Yeah, so we got this line here. Let me look at gold. Gold still trying to play. Gold been making, listen, y'all. Look at gold. Let me show y'all.
Gold been playing for 2 days.
Look at gold. Hold on. Look at this foolishness. Gold has been in this same zone. Watch this. Let me go to a higher time frame. Why gold been in the zone for like days? Right here. Look, gold ain't left out of this area. Right here. Between this one and this one. It's a nice zone. Don't get me wrong. You know, that's 1728 to 1712. Okay. So what are we talking about? A 160 pip zone? That's not bad. We're about to hit on that other one too. Bam, that one hit. Okay, next is going to be that 76. Let me go
70,
back.
70 is hitting right now.
Oh, we just hit it. All right, that one hit. 76 hit. 70 about to hit now for Isaiah. Pow, that one hit.
Bam. Bam.
Gold is about to hit 1710.
Yeah.
Gold is about to hit 1710. We're right there. Golly, y'all. Y'all better look out for Chef, baby. Listen, I don't do this for fun. All right, look. All right, the next trade that I got for y'all, because we got to wait for pullback. No, it ain't going to be that much. That's the 15-minute chart. Let me go to 1 minute. Hold on.
Exactly.
All right.
It ain't gonna be that much.
All right. Oh, look at this.
It's coming to where we were yesterday, Don.
Where were we yesterday? Because it just matched it right now. So that match at 30,066 was earlier. See that right here? Now let's go to the 15-minute chart. Let me show you something real quick, and then we're gonna get on with some more money. But we'd have made some good guys. We didn't already hit 100 plus pips already. Y'all feel me? Y'all know? Y'all understand that? I mean?
Let's go.
Okay. So here we go. So what's the scenario? True blue, Scooby-Doo, Scooby-Doo. All right. Right here. I am live on my YouTube channel, by the way. I am live on YouTube this morning.
Get that. Get this.
All right. Let's go on with the pimp juice. Hold on. All right. So this is what I got. I love the way it came down, by the way. I'm going to keep that cipher there just so you guys can see it. We're going to take the next. Let me go to the 1 minute so I can give you the proper trade because this ain't going to do it on a higher time frame. Here we go. Right here. Here we go. Right here. We're going to take from 65. I need a.
Bam. Okay.
Oh my gosh. I want you to. Well, this is what I want y'all to do. I want y'all to put an open trade in at 65. Actually, at 75. 75. I want you to put in a sale. And I don't want you to do. I don't want you to put a take profit yet. Why don't I want you to put take profit yet? Because I believe once it hits 75, it's going to shoot down here. So let's see. Let's see. We get at 75. Put some action in. At 75, at 30075. It's time for some action. Bam, right there. I want you to put that action in. Let's see where the market's going to take us here. Let's see if this was a right call. Let me look at the 5-minute chart now. Oh, yes, it was a right call. It's finally trying to get to 800.
Mine is already at 348.
Okay.
So I can't even put it in.
No, you can. Put it in now.
48.
Yeah, hers is
My
she's different from us.
My US30 is already at 348.
Okay, which is fine. Put it in, and I'll tell you when to get out. All right, so get ready, get your itchy, tricky trigger finger ready to close the trade. All right, because we're gonna hit this 800 right here, y'all. Right here, 30035 on my chart. I don't know what that is on yours, but it's the 800 on the 5-minute chart. That's what we're looking at. 30035 is what I'm looking to close at. But we're gonna have our trigger finger ready because if it shoots through on the 5-minute, that means guess where it's going? 3 fingers on the 15. Which is all the way down here at 29,868. So that's why I want you to be in the money. I want you to be in the money because I believe that's where she's going today. I think she's going to go ahead and hit that 800 on the 15-minute chart, which would be a beautiful, beautiful move down. Okay. And it's going to be more than 20 or 30 pips, y'all. We talking a nice group. All right. If you got in when I said get in, we're talking at least, oh my gosh, 183 pips if we can sustain. I don't want to stay in trades long, but if we can sustain that move, it's going to be real nice. I just need to see if she is really, really ready to push us down downtown. She trying. She is really trying. Oh, we just had a cross on the, what chart is that? Hold on. Oh, we just had a death cross there on the 1 minute. So what's the 5-minute doing? Or 5 minutes is doing nothing, but the 800 is imminent. So I'm looking for that. I'm looking for the 800 since it's there, beautiful. Right? Beautiful. Gold, we're still in profit on gold. All right, so gold, I'm looking down to 1710 still. Nothing has changed with gold. I still want 1710. I want lower than that, but gold playing. And I don't want to play with gold like that. Gold is playing. Look at the 5-minute chart on gold. Oh, gold trying to get to 800.
Yeah.
Okay, 1708. So look. Move your take profit. I don't do this too often. Move your take profit to 1709 on gold. Move your TP to 1709. Bam, that's good enough. All right, let me tell them. Move TP. 1709. Where is gold? 17. All right, move TP right here. I'm gonna tell y'all. Move TP.
What it just said.
Y'all tell me, y'all let me know what's going on because I'm trying to multitask. Let me know what's going on because we about to pop this thing. I gotta tell.
What it just said.
All right, reply. Move TP. I should have asked Dana, but I know she's busy. Move TP to 1709.
What do you mean?
30 pips. All right. Oh, look at US30. Yes, sir.
You just hit that.
Good, because guess what? I said stay. Didn't I say stay?
Yeah.
All right. We didn't already pass the 800 on the 5-minute chart. We're headed for 29,969.
Yep. That's what we were yesterday, Doc.
Golly.
Remember that 60 to 40?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's where we're going, bro.
Okay. Okay. All right. I like it. All right. But what I want you to do, because I want you to stay in the money. If she pulls back, I want you to close that trade. We'll get back in. Right now, you should be 40 plus pips in profit.
Yeah.
Right now. Okay. Or 30. I'm sorry, 30. Now 40. Now 50.
How you like me now?
How you like me now, player? See, if I can get this done in one whop, I'm getting off this call. Because if I give y'all 180 pip trade, we done. We done. Ooh, I need to bring it down, man. I'm hyped about this one. I'm hyped about this move. You just need to do it. I want you to set a stop loss, okay? So, because it will pull back against us. So set that stop loss. Now. And then we'll get back in. All right, we're getting back in at 40. We'll get back in at 40. If you didn't get out, I mean, if you stayed in, cool. But if you got out, get back in at 40. And 40 just activated.
She dropping, bro. She gone.
Well, she should. I mean, based on 15-minute, 5-minute, 1 minute is giving me some pullback because she just hit my yellow line in the RSI. If she reverses here, if she gives me a dash, a crooked leg, a broken leg, I call it, where it gives that crimp leg, then under the doji, if she sells under the doji, then we're good to go. If she buys above the doji, she's going to try to buy up here to the 50 and then try to come back down. So I'm hoping that she just stays in a reverse pattern and her sell momentum will take her downward. Let's look at 15-minute chart again. XABC. All right, so look, my philosophy is once we hit this point, we go 50 pips below that, which will put us somewhere at, oh, it's already done it. All right. Okay. All right. Oh, I see it. All right. So nextly, like that word, I just made that one up. Nextly, I'm looking for her to reverse again. Let's look at the 1 hour now. Okay, so she got a lot of factors this buying on her right now. She's looking at in the mouth. So in the mouth, she likes to touch the bottom of the lip. Boom. I like that. That puts us at 29,868. That's confirmation number one. Number two, the 800 EMA on the 15 chart. 3 fingers is set up for the sale. Why? Because she stopped short here of the 200. Isaiah, what's your philosophy on once she does what to the 200? Isaiah says once she passes that 200, bro, she gone.
It's over.
Okay.
Past 200, it's over.
So she dipped on the 200 here, but here, this is my problem with her right now. She's straddling the fence. I call this straddling the fence because she didn't open below the 200 yet. I want her to open below the 200 to confirm that she's giving me all the money down to the 800. Once she does that, I'll be very, very satisfied. Even here on the 5-minute chart, she's above the 800 again, which means she can push back up, right, for some BS. But once she opens below this 800 and hits this level of resistance, support at 29,969, she's a goner. She hits support. She could come right back to this level here. I don't know why I have these so close. This must have been some type of zone for me to put 969 and 868 in the same area. It must have been something there before. Let me look at the higher time frame and see why I did that. Oh yeah, it was okay. It was a zone. Yeah, it was a zone before. It was a decent zone. Gold is looking pretty decent. Gold is trying. Gold is really trying. It's struggling to get past here though. But at least it's at 1710 and some change now. It took gold a while to get down here. Tell me, I marked this thing on a 15-minute chart a minute ago when I first got on the call. I called gold down here because we hit on the gold trade once, right, guys? Didn't we hit on gold once?
What you call that one for?
2 points. It was
Yes.
It was 17 something to something. It was 2 points, whatever it was. And now I called 12 to 10, but I moved it to 9 for 30. There it is. That's 1710. That was the bell for 1710. Now let's see if we can get 1709 out of her. Why are we going to get 1709? Because on the 5-minute chart, she's trying to get to that 800. Let me go ahead and put this alert right here. I'm going to add alert to my support line. US30 is struggling majorly right now. She is struggling so hard because she knows she want to sell. I don't know why she's playing. Oil is pushing up. I got oil going up to $90.96. I'm going to set an alert. Change the date. To November 25th. Save it. Okay. AJ, I told you AJ was coming down. It still is. I got AJ going down to 92. Oh, man. I got AJ going to 92. I'll tell you in a minute. I got AJ coming to 92.63. 92.63 right here. All right, 92.63. Let me look at why. Let's look at why I got AJ going there. Because AJ has a death cross, AJ has an arch, AJ has not completed the arch, nor has AJ come down to complete this move here. Okay, and let's look at the hour chart to see why and what that is. Well, we got a little fake little doji right here, and an even better one right here. So AJ could come down to 92.12. I just don't know when. But I know this is imminent right here, which is 92.96. That's imminent. And then the next move is 92.63. So take profit 1, 92.96. Take profit 2, 92.63. That's the way I see it on AJ. Oh, American Airlines, what are you doing?
What did you say for AJ? What was the first take profit?
92.96.
Oh, 92.96. And then the other one was 92.63.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you.
All right, let me look at where American Airlines is doing this morning because I want to take Peloton as a put. Oh, yeah. Who I'm taking to put on Peloton? I'm taking to put on Peloton. Peloton's still trying to sell. And let me look at American Airlines on a higher time frame real quick. It is trying its best to hit this 200 EMA. Why is it playing? American Airlines is trying to play. All right, I'm going to have to set an alert for American Airlines because I ain't got time. I'm going to have to set an alert here. If it comes down to there, then I know she's going to sail down to here. And I'm trying to see why on a higher time frame. Makes no sense whatsoever because she got everything above her ready. What's below her? Nothing's below her. And she didn't hit the 800. She playing. She didn't hit the 800. She playing. A Peloton, I want Peloton as a put. Let me do that right now. I want to put, let me look at Peloton on a higher time frame real quick. Oh, no, I'm not doing a put on Peloton. She trying to play. She bouncing off that 50. If she pushes through here, I'll take her for a put because she'll come down here in that channel. Yep. Yep. So I'll wait on Peloton to make a sell move here. I'll wait on you to do it here. If it'll let me. I think I got too many alerts. Okay. All right. Back to Dirty 30 and gold. Gold is still balancing. We got a little bit left on gold before gold comes down to 1709. She is taking all the time in the world. If you wanted to take gold for that 1710 trade I gave, you can. She's at 1710.53. But if you want to stay in at the 1709, just hang tight. And she should be giving us a little bit of money. Man, Peloton, what are you doing? You know what? Peloton, you doing some stuff. Peloton. See that 50. That 200 is trying to cross the 800. I see you. And okay, and you crossed there. And you okay. All right, I'm gonna wait on Peloton. As much as I want it, because it ain't set up right. 5,200. Oh, yeah, it is. On a 1 minute, it is 5,200, 800. This is how I be talking to myself, y'all. I promise you. This is exactly how I talk to myself when I'm looking at stuff because I got to talk it out. I got to talk it out for it to make sense to me. I think Peloton wants to. This is for like option trade. Just for an option day trade. It's not for a long haul. I don't want to keep it. I need to know what Peloton is doing. I guess once it crests above the 50, but it's in the channel still. So, I don't know. I'll wait. All right, back to business here. All right, so this is where I'm going to take. I didn't give you an entry on AJ, so I'm going to give you an entry. 93.10 to 92.96. That's 14 pips. And then 9310 also, or 93-100 to 9263, which would give you 47 pips. 57, my bad. No, 47. I was right. 47 pips. Yeah, 47. Yeah, I'm gonna wait for Peloton. American Airlines, I'll wait for you to get your act together. But you do look like you're setting up a nice put down to 11.95. US30 is playing. US30 actually giving us a new pass-through zone, by the way. It is. Oh, it's that same one, isn't it? 71 to 91.
Mm-hmm.
That's the one I gave y'all earlier, wasn't it?
No.
Which one was that?
191.
Oh, 191. Oh, wow. That was up in the hundreds. So look, it's giving us 100 down now. 71. 71. It looks like 71 to 91. Let me look at that real quick. All right. That's enough for my live today. That's enough for my live. Holla at your boy. I'm Chef Yarnees, the Pip Master. It has been my time spending a little time with you guys this morning. Thank you so much for joining my live stream over on my YouTube channel. Please like, share, and subscribe, and tell your friends and family about it. You bet. All right, we're out of here.